Look at my French toast. Today is one of my cheating days, as I told you in my video last week where I made that quick breakfast. Here is my cheating. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make my French toast. With this video, you don't need to purchase the frozen French toast. I will show you quick and easy. The ingredients that you need I use for this: 1 egg, a hint of black pepper, I use a hint of Himalayan salt, a little milk, a little granulated sugar, some cinnamon, and some nutmeg. I will drop my ingredients in the description box for you to follow. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Shell's Island Flavor Cooking. I am preparing some homemade French toast. So I beat 1 egg. Make sure you beat it where the yellow is like watery. Mix everything in. Then I added a little hint of black pepper, a little hint of Himalayan salt. I used 1/2 tablespoon cinnamon, and I used 1 tablespoon sugar to taste, and I mixed this out before I start using it. So once I combine all my ingredients, I mix this out. You can do this on your griddle, you can do this on your stovetop. I choose to do it on my stovetop. The bread, it doesn't matter what bread you use. You can use any bread of your choice. You can also add your eggs, your bacon on the side. Whatever you want to add on the side, you can add it on the side. Last week I gave you a video where I prepare a yogurt that I normally consume in the week. This week I'm showing you how I cheat. So I added a little butter in my frying pan, and then I added the 2 slices of toast that I will be making. And although I am cheating with the syrup that I use to sweeten this, at the end of the video, you will see how I added fruits into this. And let me tell you something. This was, it was on top. When you go to the hotels, when you go out, it tastes even better than the frozen one, because then this is like fresh. I just add this in my pan with a little hint of butter, and I just do my toast. You don't want your bread getting too soggy or too wet, because if the bread gets too wet, then it will be like really, really soft. Try this. It's quick, it's easy, it's economical, and your girl likes cheap. Because I'm running a channel where it's not like I am being paid to run the channel. So cheap is it for me. Instead of purchasing the frozen one, why not make your own? Please make sure you're making use of these videos by not only watching them, but also experimenting. Welcome to Shell's Island Flavor Cooking. The rule of the game is please make sure you subscribe. Please make sure you hit the like button. Please make sure you share my videos. Please make sure you leave a comment. So at the end of making my toast, it's now ready for consumption. I added me some strawberries because I want to, and it's my business. I added some blueberries because it's my business. And I added some raspberry on this. Then I will just sprinkle or drizzle my syrup on this. And let me tell you something. I didn't need eggs because I tried to incorporate fruits in, because we need to intake fruits. Whatever other fruits you choose, you can also add to your toast or to your table, make it yours because that's your business. So here I'm adding my syrup. You can also taste your mixture to taste if you really need to add more granulated sugar as you go. Remember, it's your pot. Taste your pot to taste to see if the taste and the flavor that you want, you have gotten it. Look at my French toast, all homemade. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Please make sure you leave a comment, and please make sure you try this video. Quick and easy recipe. If you don't have the fruits, do whatever you want. This is what one of my cheating days look like. Again, welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon in my next video. Look at a girl breakfast in the morning, fruits on my toast, and this was tasty. It was delicious. It's quick and easy. It does not require a lot of ingredients. So please guys, please make sure you save them money. Purchase your bread. Your eggs come in handy. Get your fruits. Don't go out there to buy this all the time. Stay tuned.